Hi, this is Mary and Craig with Kelly Ridge Heating and Air Conditioning in Oroville. We service all the way from Reading to Olivehurst, and we're here to take care of all your needs. Just want to let you know that it's getting to winter time. It's time to do a maintenance or a checkup on your heater.
There's two reasons to do maintenance. One of them is the safety aspect. We want to make sure you're safe and you're not breathing carbon monoxide. Second reason is the ongoing running aspect of the equipment. If it needs oil, if the filters need changing, whatever it is that it might need, we're going to check it out and let you know. So give us a call, 589-9059.
Thank you.